Here's 5 living room hacks you'll wish you'd seen sooner. If you're like me, I've had trouble getting that wire on the back hung on the wall. The solution is to take a fork, place it on the nail, and then take the wire around the fork, let it slide down while holding the fork, and pull that fork right out. It will catch that nail every time. Are you sick of losing your remotes and your cell phones behind the pillows or in the crevices on your couch? Grab a shoe holder. It's a perfect way to go ahead and just put it over the end of your couch. You can tuck it in between the cushions, and it makes a great counterweight. And then you can take your remotes, cell phones, everything you need, and they're easy to get to when you need them. I'd like to take a quick 60-second break to acknowledge the sponsor of today's video. Historic mail is a thoughtful gift for anyone who appreciates history and the lost art of letter writing. It also makes a great gift for people who already have everything. It was started by a group of history enthusiasts who relished the idea of getting letters from historical figures weekly, almost as if directly from Benjamin Franklin's or Thomas Edison's desk straight to yours. Every week, a stamped envelope is delivered to your doorstep, containing the reproduction of a letter penned by a famous historical figure, supported by a document providing historical content and a typed version of the letter. You get to learn about the fascinating inner lives of the greatest historical figures from the primary source itself. Historic mail is the perfect gift for history lovers. This Mother's Day, surprise your mom with this timeless gift. Enjoy 10% off on all their products with their Mother's Day sale. Go to historicmail.com/Hometalk to get your gifts now and help support the channel. Instead of putting a side table next to your couch, I've got an easy solution for you. Go ahead and grab some bamboo cutting boards from the Dollar Tree. All you need is 2 of them. Take one of them and cut it right down the middle. And then we're going to grab some Jenga pieces. Got those from Dollar Tree also. With a little bit of wood glue right on the edge, you can glue 3 of these up and down each of the smaller sides. Just go ahead and glue all of those. Now the glue is going to go ahead and squeeze out the side. Don't worry about that. You can wipe it up later. Now take a little stick and put it across the 3 on one side and use a clamp to hold it down. Pressure is what makes glue work the best. Once you got it glued up, take those cut pieces of bamboo and put it right down the side. But we're going to glue it first, right along the edge and also along the Jenga piece. Once you put it on there, we just got to clamp it on both sides. Hold it on there for at least a couple of hours. Again, clean up any glue that squeezes out. Once that gets all dried up, it's going to be super strong. And it looks like a little mini table. It will fit right over the arm of your couch, and it works great as a side table. You can use it for your remotes or that fresh cup of hot cocoa, and it sits perfect and level. Got a craft or a piece of art you want to hang on the wall, but you can never get the screws level or in the right spots when you hang it up? I've got a solution for you. When you got those 2 hooks, all you got to grab is some masking tape. Go ahead and pull out a nice good strip, and you're going to place it right under where the hooks go. Once you tape it down, flip those hooks over. We're going to need those to mark with a pencil or pen on the tape where it goes. Peel that tape right off, and there's 2 ways you can do this. You can put the tape directly on the wall and use those to mark where they go, or what you can do is take that tape and put it on the top of a level. Go ahead and bend the sides over right where the marks are, and then you take that level and put it right up against the wall. Make sure you got a level surface right there, and then you mark exactly where those marks are. That is exactly where the nails are going to go. Hang your picture up, and it's going to be level and perfect every time.